In some other news, the opposition goes to the Freedom of Information Act to get answers on the award of a $40 million NP contract to a garbage trucking company based in East Trinidad. The opposition leader, Dr. Keith Rowley, says the state enterprise must come under public scrutiny.
The opposition leader has decided to use the avenue of the Freedom of Information Act to serve NP's board minutes to find out what criteria the state enterprise used in the award of a $40 million contract to a garbage trucking company in East Trinidad.
NP will be called upon to explain this move, which is only meant to benefit those who have done favors for the Prime Minister or party and or government, or have been selected without commitment to being fair and without favor. And the state enterprise, National Petroleum, will be held up to public scrutiny in the same way that Judicot was held to public scrutiny.
But it does not stop there. Dr. Rowley also wants Prime Minister Persad-Bissessar to say whether or not there is a direct link to the award of the contract and her stay at a private residence in Tunapuna before she moved into the Prime Minister's official fantasy residence.
We are also taking steps to confirm the terms and conditions under which the Prime Minister of Trinidad and Tobago occupied and resided in a private residence in Paje village, and who the beneficiaries are of that visit, and whether the outcome of that residency has had anything to do with this despicable behavior at NP.
The PNM has claimed that the owner of the Paje Road property also has an interest in the garbage collection company. The opposition is also calling the actions of Energy Minister Carolyn Seepersad-Bachan highly irresponsible. Dr. Rowley says Minister Seepersad-Bachan cannot distance herself from the controversy since she is the line minister with responsibility for NP.
Well, we are holding the Minister of Energy responsible for what goes on in NP. And there's a lot more that's going on in the Ministry of Energy for which she will not be personally responsible, but for which she is responsible as minister.
Only yesterday, the Energy Minister expressed confidence in the NP board and promised to review a report on the matter.
I intend within the next 2 days I would review it, and then what will happen is I will speak with the members of the board and management to ascertain some of the facts surrounding this event. And at this point in time, let me make it very clear, I am not aware of any wrongdoing on the part of NP, their members of the board or management at this point in time.
Karen Kozier-Phillip, TV6 News.